to investigate the most haunted hotel sa buong Pilipinas.
Most haunted.
Ang Diplomat Hotel.
Diplomat Hotel.
Last year nang galing na ako dito at sobrang daming nangyaring kababalagan. Tulad na lang ng batang umiiyak, mga footsteps sa loob at mga spirit na nadedetect ng ghost radar ko. Kaso lang hindi kami nakapasok and we ended it up with the question, ano ba talaga ang meron dito?
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Today we're going to investigate the most haunted hotel sa buong Pilipinas.
Most haunted.
Ang Diplomat Hotel.
Diplomat Hotel.
Last year nang galing na ako dito at sobrang daming nangyaring kababalagan. Tulad na lang ng batang umiiyak, mga footsteps sa loob at mga spirit na nadedetect ng ghost radar ko. Kaso lang hindi kami nakapasok and we ended it up with the question, ano ba talaga ang meron dito at ano kaya ang nangyari sa kanila? That's why today, samahan nyo kami. Let's enter and investigate this place.
Grabe, ano ba bumalik ka? Tapang talaga dito.
Gabi na nang makarating kami rito. Napakatahimik ng lugar at wala na ring masyadong tao. Alright guys, so sobrang lamig dito sa Baguio ngayon. At the moment, it's 8:15 PM and 20 degrees Celsius. And nandito ako ngayon sa tapat ng Diplomat. And good news, makakapasok tayo sa loob, makakapag-explore tayo sa loob, makakapag-investigate tayo sa loob kasi pinayagan tayo, nasubmit natin lahat ng papeles and sobrang excited ako. Kasama natin, syempre, my guy Steve Ronin out here. So guys, gagawin namin yung best namin yun para ma-investigate to. Probably advance happy Halloween.
We hope you guys enjoy, and yeah,
Let's go inside.
stay tuned till the very end. Yeah, let's go.
Alright guys, so papasok na kami sa loob. Ito yung main camera ko and ito yung night vision. Kailangan ng night vision kasi sobrang dilim. Pumasok na kami sa loob para explore ng buong lugar. Oh my gosh. Nakakatakot dahil sobrang dilim dito. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so nandito na tayo sa loob and first thing na gagawin natin is i-explore natin to ngayon. So may night vision naman dito, so kahit madilim makikita nyo. And after natin mag-explore, magpo-proceed na tayo agad sa investigation. So guys, so right here, merong mga, ito may mga graffiti dyan. Dito kayo pumasok sa gilid. So, ito yung first part. As in dito sa loob, sobrang dilim talaga. Wala akong makita, as in sobrang dilim dito. Guys, ganito ka dilim dito. Ito yung night
Galing mo, pinasok na talaga.
vision. Patay mo ilaw. Bang. So, ganito ka dilim dito guys. Pag pumunta ako dito, hindi ko na alam kung ano na meron sa likod ko para may lalabas. So, right here, may door. CR.
Nakarala siya na yan, dyan tumahay si Baliw, di ba?
I can see where I'm going. May door. Buksan natin. It's locked. Mag-isa lang ako guys, wala akong kasama. Oh my god. This woman's CR din. Oh, may tali. Oh my god. Bukas siya pero may tali. Sobrang dilim. Ano? Ayoko pumunta dun. Okay, so right here naman guys. Ito yung gitna guys. Ito yung nakikita ng mga tao dito. Ito, yung nilagyan na nila ng gate. Ang creepy pag nakita mo to ng gabi, no? Guys, usap-usapan na dito daw yung bata. At pagpasok ko dito, ito ang tumambad sa akin.
Creepy talaga ng fountain na yan. Oh, creepy. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Tingnan nyo.
Pare, may mukha.
Ano lang yan eh, parang art lang yan eh.
Bali-balita na dito daw sa fountain na to, is dito nagpaparamdam yung bata. I'm not sure kung dito sa fountain na to o sa kabilang fountain. Pero ito. Ilawan mo nga ako. Ang ilaw ko lang, night vision lang.
Bakit? Bakit? Hindi ko alam eh. Wala yung pakiramdam ko eh. Natakot na ako tol.
Sige, sama ka lang dito sa akin. Sumama ka lang dito. Sama ka lang dito. Huwag kang mag-isa. Ito yung fountain. Huwag mong kakawin yan. Yan yung pinaka-wag na huwag mong gagawin. Don't touch anything. Don't pick anything. Eh, na-creepy kasi meron parang mukha dito.
Pag nandiyan kaya ako, hilamusin ko kaya si Braylon dyan. Makakita siya ng mga bata dyan, no?
So guys, so at the moment, kasama si Adam. Okay guys, so right here,
Hindi kinagabutan ako.
rooms. Oh my gosh. From the outside.
Ay, dito tumadon si Third Eye, yung kay Boss Rino. Ayan yung bintana na tinalunan ni Third Eye. Yung may nakikita daw siya. Yung may nakikita daw siya. Ano magandang ilaw. Yan, malinaw.
So another room. Napakaraming kwarto dito. Dahil na rin siguro dati siyang naging hospital at naging hotel. Oh, may ano. Feel ko CR to dati. CR to dati.
Oh, CR. Ano yung bigat na naman yung ulo ko tol?
Lagi mo may bigat yung ulo mo tol. Baka sabi yung ka pa niyan. So guys, yung pinasukan namin, sa gitna yun, connected lang dito. Parang paikot lang to eh. Paikot lang tong diplomat. Napakadaming kwarto at yung iba ginawa ng bodega. Sa unang palapag pa lang, iramdam mo na agad ang pagkaluma ng lugar. Kaya rin siguro nakakatakot dahil bukod sa may history to, structure pa lang at pagkakaposisyon ng mga bagay-bagay,
Nakakatawa,
ka na. Kung makikita nyo guys, napakaraming kwarto. At ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa second floor. Okay pre, so ngayon, pakit na tayo ng second floor. Ito yung way pre. So ito lang yung daan sa second floor. Umakyat na kami sa taas para naman libutin ang second floor. Pre, nakakatakot na. Nag-iba na agad yung aura. So guys, ngayon, dala ko na yung EMF. Check lang tayo. If may mali
Iyan,
lang tayo.
yung kaya dyan, di ba?
Bigat dito pare.
Kumabog yung dibdib ko pre.
Ito rin eh.
Pakiramdam dito mabigat to.
Bigat na bigat. Meron ba kami kasama dito ngayon?
Nakalagay doon tol, may nakalagay dito tol. Mga dates.
Grabe, sobrang daming room pala talaga nito, no? Tara, tara, tara. At habang naglalakad kami, may nakita si Adam na kakaiba. Ano yun?
Ano dito may sabi oh. Ako mamaya na ako nalapitan.
Bakit?
Huwag mo nalapitan. Tandaan tayo.
Kaya pinasok namin para tingnan kung ano ba talaga to.
Naka-cover na po.
Carpet. Carpet. So feeling ko ito pa yung carpet dito dati.
Hindi kasi ano, gara ng ano ng carpet. Kala mo tao, pre. Gara ng carpet, parang ganun. Parang ano, parang niroller na tao. Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo. Ay, no, tingnan mo.
Creepy naman yung carpet na yan.
Nabahan ako tol, sorry.
Okay lang, okay lang. Pagtapos dito, tinuloy na namin ang paglilibot. Para sa akin, ito yung pinaka nakakatakot na room. Tingnan natin kung bukas. Medyo weird talaga to room na to para sa akin. At nang tignan ko kung bukas,
Ayun daw yung dating room nung ano, yung dating may-ari, yung nag-opera. Yung, sino nga ba yun? Si Ed Pawa.
nakalak pre. Nakalak at siya lang ang pintong nakalak sa lahat ng room.
Ito yung pinakaunang opisina. Then, konserhe.
Sabi sa inyo yan, yung opisina nung may-ari.
Oh my God! Dude, pre-pre yan, nagulat ako.
Natakot sa painting.
So guys, bumibigat na yung pakiramdam ko dito. Dumiretso na kami sa pinakadulong kwarto, na kung saan ito yung kwarto na may nagpaparamdam talaga. Oo, itong room na to, ito yung room kung saan merong Grabe man, tingnan mo. Yung floors, oh. Ito pa yung dating floor ng diplomat. Ayan, oh. Yung kahoy na yan. Yung kahoy na yan, yung pa yun, pre. Napakalaki ng kwarto na to. at na-amaze ako na makita kong nandito pa ang bathtub nito. Laking gulat ko rin nang biglang mag-response ang EMF ko.
Are you here with us? Kasama ka pa namin?
Laking gulat namin na pumalo ang EMF.
Namatay ka ba dito? Can you blink my EMF kung oo? Pre, wala talaga dito, pre. Talagang.
Umalis na kami sa kwartong to dahil mamaya pa yung investigation part. Pinasok ko yung sumunod na pinakamalaking kwarto.
Ito meron pa silang furnace.
Diyan naman ang bukbang sa balbaliw, di ba?
Oh my gosh.
At laking gulat ko nang biglang umilaw na naman yung EMF na hawak ko.
Active yung mga multo dyan.
Dude.
Sa sobrang gulat ko sa mga pangyayari hindi ko na naitutok sa EMF yung night vision ko.
Sobrang crazy dito, man.
Sobrang crazy. Tawag mo ba si Madam Crazy?
At dito naman sa parting to nandito naman ang dati nilang palikuran. Sobrang nakakatakot talaga ng gabing to dahil yung EMF namin non-stop sa pag-ilaw. Which means may nadedetect siyang
Active talaga yung mga outlong dito sa Diplomat. Grabe.
espiritu.
Oh my gosh.
May nadedetect siya dito sa furnace at nang ilapit ko,
Malakas yung ano dito eh.
may something na energy na nadedetect sa furnace na to.
Tara. Di kami sinunog dun, pre. Dati na lang, posible.
Challenge ko si Adam na magstay dito mag-isa for 5 minutes
5 minutes alone in the dark challenge starts now.
at idodocument niya yung mararamdaman niya. Walang ilaw at night vision lang ang gamit. Mapapanood nyo to sa channel niya.
Parang may dumantay sa ganito tulo.
Kaya umakit na kami ng 3rd floor para i-meet si Steve at si Alpha at para masimulan na ang investigation.
So right here guys, sa 3rd floor. So sobrang lawak na space lang tong 3rd floor. Grabe guys. Sobrang kapal ng fog. Oh my gosh.
Malamang Baguio yan eh. Ano expect ko sa Baguio? Mainit. Minsan.
Ito na yung cross. Okay guys, so papunta na ako ngayon sa last floor. So iiwan ko sila dito and aakitin ko yung 4th floor ng mag-isa.
Mag-isa ko inakit yung huling palapag ng gusaling ito. Minsan lang ako makakapunta rito kaya sinulit ko na.
So guys, at the moment, andito ako sa pinakatuktok ng Diplomat Hotel. Ganito kadilim dito kapag walang night vision. Yan, hindi nyo na ako halos makita. Pero makikita nyo dito guys, yung city lights sobrang ganda niyan. And wala rin ako dalang flashlight. Tara na, nakakatakot, natatakot na ako. Excited na ako sa investigation na to.
Alas 12 ng gabi nang simulan namin ang investigation.
Okay guys, so magsistart namin ng aming investigation. So camera 1, 2, and 3.
Start right now. We just have to introduce our names. My name is Steve.
My name is Zark.
My name is Adam.
My name is Alpha. My cameraman right now. Shout out to him. Oh, others.
Oh! Sinabi natin yung pangalan natin lahat tapos sinabi nila na others. So, maalam nilang ibang tao tayo dito.
That just went off.
Maalam nilang ibang tao tayo dito.
That just went off. Oh, yeah. Maybe they.
The others mean harm.
Others mean harm. Well, we don't mean any harm. So I think there's other spirits here that mean harm.
Grabe
So
naman.
guys, kakasa-start lang namin. In-explain niya dito, the others means harm. Andito lang kami to investigate. May kasama ba kami ngayon?
Mason.
I don't want to mention anything about Mason. It's a brotherhood. That's it.
It's a brotherhood or it's a name. Jessica.
Jessica.
Oh my God. Who is Jessica? Ikaw bang kausap namin?
Marjorie.
We're
Baka naman si
doing
Jessica Soho yan.
way back in World War II. Women were raped here.
Yeah, you're
Many were used as comfort women.
Yeah, you're right.
And just the room below us, a girl herself. Sobrang fog ngayon.
So guys, just want to say one thing. Feel free to communicate with us besides your name. We need
Fire's
no
still
harm.
here?
Stuck here.
Oh,
Oh my God, na-stuck sila dun.
stuck here.
Oh fuck.
They're stuck here.
I just asked, why are you here?
What happened?
Did it die?
The camera did die?
Yeah?
Yeah, I just changed it like maybe 40 minutes ago, 30 minutes ago, but I didn't really use it, so that's weird.
Guys, so yung camera ni Steve biglang namatay. Ikaw ba yung
Creepy naman nun, namatay agad.
gumawa nun?
The living.
I know you have the power.
Did you just drain my camera batteries? So a lot of the time when, you know, batteries died or like
Avoid this area.
avoid this area.
This area. This area is where you detected something,
Yeah,
right?
I detected something right below us too, is where the girl hanged herself.
Tumutunog na kaya yun. Yan o.
Detected something,
Yeah,
right?
I detected something right below us too, is where
siya.
the girl hanged herself.
Oh. Bakit namin kailangan iwasan tong lugar na to?
Joseph.
Joseph? Pasyente ka ba dito na namatay dahil sa ginawa ng doktor sa'yo?
Close.
So maybe
Oh,
we're on the right track. Like
it's
our guess is
connected with the
close.
doctor.
Yeah.
Doktor daw, doktor.
I just want to let you know we mean no harm. Like I said in the beginning, we're just here to learn from you guys.
Fight.
But maybe it's talking about what happened when the Japanese police force came here and the refugees, they had to fight.
It's telling us the history, what happened here.
Yeah.
What if huwag tayo dito sa taas?
Oh, yo.
What?
My blood.
My blood.
Nag-iisip kami kung paano i-connect lahat ng sinasabi niya. Nang biglang...
Army! Army! It says army! The Japanese soldiers!
Dude, now it's connecting now. He is Joseph. He's trying to explain. He died through fight. He has many blood. And he
From
is
the army.
from the army.
Acknowledge.
Thank you for acknowledging us. We acknowledge your presence here. We thank you for sharing the history. Gusto mo ba kami bumaba?
Would you like us to go to the second floor?
I'm not playing games.
Just said I'm not playing
I'm
games.
not playing games.
Ang dami
Creepy
natin
naman
tanong,
nun.
pre.
Yo, dude, that just went off 3 times and went off all the way.
Creepy.
We're not gonna play games as well. We really take this seriously too. Is there a room you would like to show us here in this building?
At maya-maya lang may whistle kaming narinig.
Did anyone hear that?
Dangerous.
Did anyone hear that?
Yeah.
It's not like a whistle.
Yeah, I hear that.
I heard someone like,
Scream.
Did you hear someone scream?
Yeah! It sounds like a whistle.
Bro, it did
And
sound-
we just
now that I-
talk about
now
it.
that I think about it, maybe the whistle sounded like a scream. Yeah.
It's a scream.
That was a scream. That was a scream. Help me.
Help me.
Guys, you just said help me.
Bro, we would like to help you.
Joy.
If we help the spirit, it will bring them joy.
Parang may naririnig ako naglalakad sa likod namin. At maya-maya lang... Dude, I'm
You
hearing...
are not safe.
Dude, I just told you, I'm hearing something at my back. It's like someone was walking there.
Bro, we are not safe.
pre, nandito,
We should pray.
nandito tayo sa taas, pre.
We should pray, we should pray, we should pray.
We should pray first.
We should pray, we should pray.
We should pray first.
Kaya nagdasal kami para sa aming proteksyon dahil nakakaramdam kami na hindi kami safe dito. At pagtapos namin magdasal, ito ang nakuha naming mensahe.
I'm buried close
I'm
by.
very close.
Bro,
What? What did you see, bro?
I'm buried close by.
Yes?
It's the only thing. Dude, that's the furnace, bro. Where you can set fire.
Someone's walking.
Where?
Here.
Who can help me? Who can help me?
We can help you.
We can help you. Dude, something's happening with my light.
Bro.
Dude,
turning
it's
on,
beeping.
off.
Something's weird happening with my
night vision camera.
with my IV.
Pikit-pikit. Grabe, creepy.
Could be draining it, low battery.
Yep, I think so.
She's dangerous.
Besides your stuff, why are you still here?
You can trust us.
You never know. Evil spirits, you know, are deceivers. They can lie. We would like to go to the second floor and just stay next to
Great.
Great.
Great. So, it's a confirmation. Sa parteng to, alam kong iba't ibang espiritu na ang nakakausap namin.
Soldier, Bobby, she scares me. I respect you.
May mga nagwa-warning at meron namang nagsasabing ituloy pa raw namin.
Go into eternity. Review.
There's so many answers, it's hard to tell, and we're just all reviewing this whole thing.
Nalilito kami kung sino o ano ba ang nakakausap namin.
This thing is challenging us.
Hanggang sa mag-decide kami na bumaba para sa second floor naman mag-investigate.
Isa tong floor na to talaga sa nakakatakot. And we're going to do it here.
Inayos na namin yung mga posisyon ng ghost equipments.
Sinaset up lang namin lahat.
Hindi pa kami ready nang biglang tumunog na agad yung isa.
Dude! Bro!
That's my way, huh?
Yeah.
Bro, I'm standing right next to the door. What is going on with that?
I don't know.
No way it wasn't detecting me all the way down there. Can we go all the way?
Dude!
Oh, yep. That's real. That's not me. That's not me.
May nadedetect siyang iba at for sure may naglalaro dito.
I say we just let's start.
Hindi pa kami nagsisimula pero tunog na ng tunog yung music box.
Bro!
What's going
Kami
on?
lahat sa loob, guys. Nandito kami lahat sa loob. And then, bigla na lang siyang...
Sino yung naglalaro sa music box? Who are you? What's your name?
A bad spirit.
A bad spirit. Creepy no, na bad spirit.
What's your name? Stop playing with my music box.
I really did feel the second floor would be the one with the most negative energy.
Alam mo yung nafe-feel ko? Pumasok tayo sa kwarto. Then all of them is now
Surrounding it. Andito kami para malaman kung bakit mo minumulto pa rin itong lugar na to.
The most important thing is just to not be afraid because they do love that energy. They suck that energy, it feeds them, and it gives them more power.
Hindi na siya nag-stop, tol.
Yeah, right there.
Hindi na siya nag-stop, tol.
Guys, walang tao dyan ha. Walang tao dyan. It's a motion sensor. She's standing next to it, bro. In the front of it.
What do you want?
We're not here to play with you.
Sit and listen.
Sit and listen. Yeah!
I think he's saying like sit down and listen to the music box. We don't want to listen.
Wanna say something? May gusto ko bang sabihin?
Legion.
Oh my god, that's the name of a devil.
Yes, the name of a demon.
Legion at sa Christian Bible, it is used to refer to the group of demons.
Kaya paglaro niya talaga yung music box.
We can affect you.
We just wanna ask question. Nandito lang kayo para magtanong. Hindi kami dito para mong gambala. Dude,
Leave me alone.
We will leave you alone if you stop playing with the music box.
And suddenly, tumigil talaga ang pagtunog ng lahat.
It stops.
Just
It stops.
let's just leave. Let's respect them. Let's just leave.
all right. Okay, we'll
Thank
respect
you.
that.
Wala na music box.
It stopped.
Kaya bumaba na muna kami. Nagpahinga na muna kami sa labas habang nag-aantay para sa 3 AM challenge.
Nung Diplomat Hotel ito sir, nasunog, patay yung mga naka-check-in sa loob, yung front desk lang nakaligtas. Kaya yung front desk na nabuhay pa hanggang ngayon, binabalik-balikan to. Kasi hindi daw niya makalimutan yung nangyari. 2021 pandemic, may nagpakamatay dyan sir. Sa May Cruz, Tumalon. Pero turista din siya. Ang sabi ng mga tao sir, parang nagsasalita siya ng kwan, hindi naiintindihan. Tapos biglang tumalon.
Paano turista kuya? Eh di ba pandemic lang?
O sir, kasi pwede pa naman nilang pasyalan to sir.
So na-stuck sila dito ng pandemic?
Oo, makulong sila dito ng pandemya. Hindi na sila nakalabas ng bagyo.
Alright guys, at the moment it's 3:01 AM. Papasok kami dito sa fountain and wala kaming dadali ng ilaw. Night vision camera lang. Tapos equipments.
Sinet up na namin lahat ng equipments at habang sineset up namin ito, ito ang nangyari.
Okay, right here's good.
Dude. Oh, someone's coming up.
Oh, are you with us right now?
Kasama ka ba namin?
Did you? Oh, that went to red. Are you here?
Right.
Right. Right.
Creepy naman na kung mga nila, equipment nila.
Right.
So you are here.
Are you a bad spirit or a good spirit?
If you're a bad spirit, can you make it red?
Oh.
Can you tell us more? Maybe tell us about your life.
I feel hopeless.
Oh, why? Do you want us here?
No, sir.
Oh, fuck. Tara na. Tara na.
Doesn't want us here.
Maraming kinuhang buhay sa lugar na to. Mga hindi nabigyan ng hustisya kaya ngayon sila ay nagmumulto. Hindi man natin maipaliwanag ang mga nangyari ng gabing to, pero isa lang ang sigurado. Meron pa rin silang ipinaglalaban na karapatan at hindi nila ito nakamit bilang...
Ayun guys, tama nga, marami nga nagsasabi. Yung mga tropa ko medyo may alam dito sa paranormal. Nasabi nga yung mga spirits daw. Hindi sila nagpaparamdam sa sementeryo kasi peaceful na yung place na yun. Nagpaparamdam sila kung saan sila namatay. Kasi nandun yung memories nila. So, for example, dito sa Diplomat Hotel, may mga maraming namatay dito. Kinakwento rito sa history, daming namatay. Yun o, kita mo, daming ilan nung hapon. Yun, dun talaga, good example talaga ng inaano to, naging haunted talaga to. Pati yung ozone disco basta yung ozone disco. Yung Buddha na yun, Buddha. Ayun guys, ang dami talagang, tara, last na bago, anong oras na ba? Ito na eh. Isang video na lang bago para tayo
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my